Ooh, look at that. Look at that. These look very cool. Now, what are they for? They are for preserving or making sure that the little legs of some of your chairs will live longer and stay healthier for longer. You know, sometimes the wooden ones will break down, but this really helps out with that. And so I'm gonna look around, see if I've got any stools or something to see if I could put this on it to show you how cool it is. But yeah, very gummy, and has this thing on the bottom. Very good stuff. Anyway, I'm going to do that soon in a video for you guys. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more of these fun unboxings. Take care.
Likey.